Nothing beats a summer night like this.
Totally. Just us, the pool, and... Wait, is that Fog?
Looks like you two could use some real help.
Nori? This isn't a race.
Milo, to the left! Nori, block the wheels! I've got it, but don't slow me down!
Well, that's one way to serve dinner.
Next time, let's stick to poolside snacks.